Are you ready to build your very own website completely for free? In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through creating a professional-looking WordPress website without spending a single rupee or dollar. By the end, you'll not only have your website live on the internet, but you'll also feel confident updating and personalizing it whenever you want. Let's get right into it and start building your online presence today. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress account. If you haven't created one yet, just head over to WordPress.com and sign up. It's totally free and only takes a couple of minutes. Once you're logged in, you're greeted with your WordPress dashboard. Think of this as the control room for your entire website. You can manage everything from here, and trust me, you'll get familiar with it pretty quickly. Next up is the foundation of any website, your domain. Your domain is your website's address on the internet, like migrate site WordPress.com. On your dashboard, look for the option to get your free domain. WordPress offers you a free subdomain, which means your site's address will end with WordPress.com. It's a fantastic way to get started without any cost. So pick a name that represents your business, blog, or whatever idea you're bringing to life. Don't stress too much if your first choice isn't available. Try a few variations, maybe with your initials or a meaningful word, until you find one that feels right. Now let's talk about how your website looks. This is where things get exciting. In WordPress, go to Appearance and then click on Themes. Themes decide the style, the colors, font choices, and layout of your site. Imagine them like the outfit your website wears. You'll see a large collection of both free and premium themes, but today we're going with a free one. Use the search bar to explore different themes. Look for one that fits your style, maybe something clean and modern, or a little more artistic, depending on your taste. You can click on any theme for a preview before deciding. When you found a theme you like, select it and then hit Activate. That's it, your website's look just changed and you didn't spend a dime. After that, it's time to make your website truly yours. Click on Customize Site. This is where you personalize everything: the style, the navigation menus, the pages, templates, and patterns. Take your time here. Want to adjust your site's color scheme or upload your logo? You can do all that in just a few clicks. Need to set up menus so visitors can easily find your about or contact pages? That's here too. Don't worry if customizing feels overwhelming at first. Play around with the options. You can always change things later, and WordPress even shows you a live preview as you go. With your theme in place, you can add more content. Building pages is as simple as clicking Add Page. Think about the core pages a basic website needs: a homepage, an about page, maybe a contact form. You can also add blocks to your pages, which are basically little bits of content: text, images, headings, buttons. For example, add an image block to showcase what you do, or a button so visitors can get in touch. Each block can be dragged and dropped, rearranged, and edited until it's exactly how you want. Once you're happy with how your site looks and feels, go ahead and publish it. Click the Publish button, take a deep breath, and congratulate yourself. Your website is now live for the world to see, and that's it. You've just launched your own free WordPress website. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or run into challenges, let me know in the comments below. I always do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. Best of luck with your new website, and I'll see you in the next video.